Today, I'm going to show you how to make a creamy Tucson chicken with a healthy twist. Instead of cream, we are using cooked cauliflower for the base, keeping it rich and delicious without the extra calories. Hello, I'm Farhad. Whether you have dairy restrictions or are eliminating dairy for other reasons, you can still enjoy creamy comfort dishes with a healthier alternative. And if you're not a fan of cauliflower, don't worry, you won't taste it at all. To begin making the sauce, we'll use one medium cauliflower cut into florets. Boil these florets until they are tender but not overcooked or mushy. Once softened, immediately cool them under cold running water. Then into the food processor, mix with half a cup of low sodium chicken broth. Add more liquid as needed to reach the desired consistency. Then pulse the cauliflower in the blender until it reaches a smooth, mashed potato-like consistency. Then add some salt and pepper and couple of dashes of paprika to taste. And then we're going to continue blending until everything well combined. So this is the desired consistency. Now I'll transfer this to a bowl and start sauteing the chickens. I'm using about 1.5 pounds of chicken, 2 chicken breasts and 2 chicken thighs. I'm seasoning with salt and pepper, and then we're gonna saute both sides in a skillet for about 3-4 minutes each side or until fully cooked. Once chicken's done, we'll set them aside and cook the rest of the ingredients in the same pan. Let's saute half a medium red onions thinly sliced for about 3 minutes on medium heat. Then 4 cloves of chopped garlic for about 30 seconds. Then adding half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. This is from a jar with some oil in it. And mix. You can always cook the vegetables in chicken broth instead of oil if you prefer. Now we're going to add some seasoning to the veggies. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, then half a teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of cumin, and mix. Now I'm adding half a cup of low sodium chicken broth, or you can add vegetable broth. Okay, now I'm going to gradually add the cauliflower to the pan. I'll use half of the cauliflower now and add more later if needed. Mix the cauliflower well with the rest of the ingredients. Then add chicken broth to thin down the cauliflower to desired consistency. You might do this several times. We're going to go ahead and add some salt and pepper to taste to the dish. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of fresh spinach, or what I usually say a handful, and mix them with the cauliflower until everything's well mixed together. And everything looks great here, as you can see. Now I'm going to transfer the chickens back to the pan and make sure they are fully covered with the sauce. Then I'll let it simmer for 4 or 5 minutes over low heat until the chickens is heated through. Now the last thing we are going to do is garnish the chickens with some fresh chopped parsley, and we're good to go. Enjoy your Tucson chicken over some pasta or some brown rice. If the sauce becomes too thick, you can easily thin it down with more chicken or vegetable broth. This creamy cauliflower based dish is healthy, tasty, and completely dairy free. It serves four and comes in at approximately 250 calories per serving, depending on the portion size. Below you'll find the full list of recipe ingredients along with the links to some of the products I use in this recipe, so feel free to check them out if you're interested. If you like this video, I invite you to subscribe for more similar weekly videos packed with healthy eating recipes for healthy lifestyle and weight loss goals and kitchen tips and tricks, and also explore my other videos and join me for the next one. Until then, stay healthy and take care.